epic amazing, bro.
Okay, the fact that he's already eaten all of it.
It was pretty good. It was, I taste the coconut.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Leftover Food Network. This is Holly.
And I'm Nana.
And today we're going to cook a very traditional Indonesian dish called
Urap Yogyakarta.
Urap Jogja is basically a mixed steamed salad seasoned and flavored with shredded steamed coconut with turmeric, garlic, shallot, salt and pepper, and of course the coriander. We're going to have our friends over, the Hall's family. They're coming tonight. We're going to celebrate Brian's birthday, and we're going to cook Indonesian traditional food, which is the urap.
And asam pindang sibas.
That's basically a soup. It's from Sumatra. So we're going to show you today how to cook these two main dishes, which basically urap, which we made last week for Dr. Kim's and DJ. They seem to like it, so we're going to try it again to see how they react to urap.
Don't skip the video, we will share our cooking experience here.
So we'll show you step by step how to make it, and the ingredient as well as things to do and not to do while cooking. So there are two components. One is the vegetable itself. You can choose to steam or to eat it raw. We have this. Explain what is this, Nana?
This is squash leaves.
Yes, we can use the squash leaf.
You can chop the
Cut it,
stem too.
Cut it a little bit, and then we also next we are using long bean, or in Mandarin we call this otok.
Kacang panjang.
Kacang panjang or long beans. It's very common in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia. Then we will use this little squash.
Eggplant. This is the Filipino eggplant.
And now, let's blend all the spices.
Add a little bit of oil to help the spices blend really well.
Store the spices inside of a jar while preparing the vegetables. And now we start to chop the vegetables and start cutting the leaves before we steam it.
Okay, now we can add the leaves on top of the stem. Then we cook it for another 3-4 minutes. Okay, now it's time to take the veggie out. Put it aside. Repeat the same thing and then steam all the next vegetable.
At this point, the coconut, the shredded coconut also have been steamed, and now we start cooking the spices to bring out the fragrance of the spice.
Now I can smell the spices. That means it's time to mix the steamed coconut. It is very easy. Just put it in. If you are a beginner, try it carefully, okay?
Once we mix all the shredded coconut with the sauce, then we put it back in the steamer and then steam it for another 15 minutes, and then it's ready to serve.
Once all the vegetables and the shredded coconut are cooked, everything is ready to serve. Traditionally, in Indonesia, one can mix the entire thing together, or you also can serve it this way, where we put a little bit of stack of vegetable together. In this case, we put a little bit of tofu in the bottom and put some leaves on top of it, and sprinkle all the coconut on top of the vegetable. it is up to you how do you want to present your food. And in this case, I thought we'd take the liberty to serve it this way. It's kind of look pretty.
Okay, now we prepare the fish and then we use lime or lemon, whatever you have at your home. Then we just roll it to get the juice out,
That's a little tips from Nana.
or you just pinch it and then you cut it.
Make sure you pour it all over the fish.
Now we cover the fish and then let it set for 15 minutes.
Now, let's make the fish sauce. Because we have a whole about 4 pounds of sea bass, so we want to use like the entire flavoring or the seasoning so that it give a good impact on the fish. So I'm going to use all of this and cook it like maybe for about 6 to 7 minutes until you smell the fragrance of the spices.
Cook the spices until it simmers and pour enough water to cover the fish before the spices burn, like this corner here. Oh yeah, we forgot to take the fresh turmeric leaves to bring out the flavor. If you don't have it, that's okay.
Once it's boiling, you begin to submerge the fish so that it allows it to have flavor for some times. And it shouldn't cook that long, so maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes, because this is sea bass and tender. Make sure it's not overcooked because it will crumble. We have surprise for you, as Indonesians normally love this part of the fish, which is this one. Pam 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 pam. Make sure I don't drop this. So we put it here just to give flavor to the fish itself. So we have the tails. We got the tails. So the head and tails are all in. All right. So basically, we use every part of the fish as a part of being sustainable. So we also use, you know, the bone side, the bony side of the fish, but we cut it to make fillet. But we'll use it to add flavor to the broth. And once we use it up later on.
Wait. My brother cried. He said too spicy. Don't worry. Put a little bit of sugar. He'll be fine. He should be fine.
I did not cry. I did not cry. But sugar is a good trick to reduce the spiciness of anything if you have too spicy food. Here are the comments about urap from my BULE friends, DJ and Kim, Brian and Daphne, as well as Sammy, and on another day from John and Anna. Film, okay, alright. All the food are ready. LODEH and Anna, what is the other one? Urap, okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, the fact that he's already eaten all of it.
It was pretty good. It
Okay.
was. I taste the coconut.
You taste Bangkok, you said.
Yeah, it tasted like something I had in Bangkok. I don't remember what.
Okay, Kim,
What
censor.
network is he actually on?
Okay, well,
So-
well, I have to conclude. This is actually called. I don't know, what is it called?
Okay. See, this is
This
the
is-
brother and sister dynamic.
What is this called again? I forgot.
Hell.
Urap, yes.
Wow.
So, urap is.
Wow, where would he be without her?
I know. Where will I be without her?
Yes,
This is
I would
actually
like that gesture I wish we had on video.
Indonesian long bean.
It's called mbap.
presentation this was. And I will also say I really appreciated the dynamic of the sister and brother in their presentation of this really amazing meal. Such as.
It's hard to believe that you're not United States Americans.
Such as.
The Iraqis.
All right, guys, this family is actually very crazy.
However, we've all.
Bro, this urap was epic amazing, bro. Like the colors, the green and the yellow were freaking phenomenal, man.
Totally, man. That's really.
And the coconut, oh dude, the spicy coconut. It's got that extra kick, and I can eat this stuff all day long. It's
Okay.
so freaking good.
Okay, that's all yours now. Sorry, guys, we lost the audio from this dinner.
But they said they love the urap.
Or Mbab. Or Bangkok.
And muchas gracias.
They said muchas gracias. What did you say?
De nada.
Okay. We have the whole family. We celebrated Brian's birthday. So we had a good dinner. We enjoyed urap. They liked it. He liked it. She liked it. The mom is like it too. Kevin, not so much. Nai, of course, liked it. Well, that's all for now. We'll see you again in another episode of Leftover Food Network. Tata for now. Good job, Molly.
Cik Lapan klik subscribe channel kau le, buat sarang kakak kau le, like, comment, and share.
Now everyone is going
Glasses
home.
are in here. Thank you.
No.
I got them right. They're all in here. Yep, I got them.
So what do you think of the lights that we put it on, Kim?
Oh, they're beautiful.
We finally have a light here.
They're like luminescent grapes.
I think we should have even more.
Yeah,
More lights?
Do you see this? How it looks like Chad?
She
Yes.
wants it to be like a nuclear winter out here.
Well, no. I think it's just the right amount of flights because we've only had 3
Planes
from
land?
Long Beach Airport try to land here. Yeah. Runway 9er left. Did you say 9er? Tommy Boy, the greatest movie ever.
You know it's not a word, Captain Dan.
All right, well, it was really fun. Gotta say goodbye.
Fun. Bye, you guys.
Bye.